The kitchen isn't just the heart of the home. It's where nostalgia, comfort, and style come together. A rustic farmhouse country kitchen combines the charm of yesteryears with the warmth of home-cooked meals. Imagine timeless wooden cabinetry, antique decor, and natural finishes that make every corner a treasure trove of charm. The beauty of natural materials is what makes rustic kitchens so appealing. Consider faded finishes that evoke memories of bygone eras, stone countertops, and repurposed wood beams. Your kitchen will feel warm and inviting thanks to these textures. Your kitchen's design serves as the blueprint for its rustic charm. Flow, utility, and beauty are guaranteed by carefully considered design. Cozy enclave or expansive thought? Make a choice based on your feel and space. Make use of natural resources, antique flooring, stone worktops, and exposed wooden beams. Include zone-specific spaces for preparing, cooking, and congregating. Your kitchen is the center of your house and serves as more than just a space for cooking. Your rustic farmhouse kitchen can be transformed into a cozy, welcoming area for family and friends by combining natural materials, well-considered design features, and unique accents. If you're ready to add this warm country charm to your life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to *** Farmhouse Bliss *** for more motivational home ideas.